Hi, I'm Julian.
I'm Max.
And I'm Jonas. We are the founders of Inflabi. Bike accidents can easily happen. Every hour, 10 accidents are reported in Germany. Still, the majority of people are not wearing helmets. Why? They're too bulky, they're annoying, and not reusable. We at Inflabi have a solution for this. We give you the flexibility in everyday life with our air technology. We change the image of cycling helmets.
To solve these problems, we are introducing a new technology. The helmet is made of air cushions, which absorbs the energy in case of an impact. The cushions are made of a strong textile material, which guarantees the safety. We are certified by European helmet safety standards. Our test shows that we are up to 4 times safer than regulations. In case of an impact, you can reuse the helmet as long as it holds the air. If you want to ride again, you just inflate the helmet with a regular bike pump.
We are changing the perspective of helmets forever. With the Kickstarter campaign, we are expanding our community, and we want you to be part of it. Support us to bring the first Inflabi to the market, and welcome a world where lifestyle meets safety.